Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner, an online business owner just like you. And just like you, got really fed up with having to have 10 million different pieces of software to kind of bring all of my business together. You've got your learning management system over here. You've got a customer record management system. You've got email marketing softwares. You've got messenger inboxes for all of your social media. The list goes on and on. And in fact, I worked out that I was spending my money every single month on subscriptions for over 25 online tool products, just to keep my business running. And of course, those prices just keep stacking up. And I got kind of fed up with it. So I decided to create a solution. And may I introduce you to, drumroll please, TekMatix. TekMatix is a software that I have founded that enables you to basically get rid of every single subscription you have. Bye-bye. And it does loads of cool stuff. Let's stop talking and let me show you. Basically, this platform is going to replace all of your tools in one single all-in-one platform. It is your course creation platform. It is your learning management system. It's your website, your blog, your email automation system. Yes, it even has more features and functions than ActiveCampaign. It is a customer record management system. That means it tracks everything your customers do. Let me take you down a tiny bit more. You can have your own domains connected to your websites in here, and you can even replace your calendar booking software. So if you're using anything like Calendly, bye-bye. Now you can create free and paid accounts inside your TekMatix account, appointments for people to book with you for your coaching or for your consulting. You can pull in your existing calendars from Google Calendar or Outlook, whichever one you're using, so that you manage your time right from within your TekMatix dashboard. You can host your own SEO Discoverable Blog inside your TekMatix account as well. So if you really want to get out there with blogging and really get found in all of your searches on Google, well, you're going to need a blog, and all of that can be done inside TekMatix with your own domain and subdomain. So it looks so professional. It's so fun. Right, we also have inbuilt funnels. Goodbye, ClickFunnels. Goodbye, expensive funnel building software. My team and I have actually created a whole bunch of custom-made funnels that specifically suit course creators, coaches, consultants, online business owners, experts, anyone who has courses, books, or educational or informational type products and services at all. And if those templates don't work for you, we will be adding more over time for our Pro Plan members to use as well. So basically, you can create amazing opt-in pages that then upsell people to your other products and services. It comes with an inbuilt checkout. It comes with inbuilt pop-ups and bump orders, order bumps if you want to like add, would you like to buy something extra to them, as well as automating the delivery emails that go through to those people. And because all of your courses and your ebooks and your content is hosted on the same platform, actually getting that in the hands of your customers is all automated too. And of course, being a course creator and a business owner, I have actually preset those templated email replies for you. So as soon as you come in on the Pro Plan, not only do you have the funnels set up for you, which you can customize in any way you like, all of those email automations and delivery fulfillment emails are all templated for you as well. You just need to go in and change your details, which is amazing. Now get this, paid ads. At some point, if you're not running them already, you're going to need to have some paid ads, and you don't need to log into your external paid ads business manager. This connects to them, and you can actually see all of your conversions, your ROAS, your return on ad spend, and all of your statistics for your ads right from your TekMatix dashboard. Another place you don't have to log into, another tab you don't need to have open, which is awesome. You can also create forms. So this might be forms to collect information from your customers or your leads, opt-in forms for them to get something for free to join your list. And it could even be just to collect extra data from your clients, onboarding forms if you're doing services. And they can be inbuilt, they can be embedded into your lessons. They can also be pop-ups on your pages on your TekMatix site as well. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, there's more. We also have SMS and text messaging up on the Pro plans. You can also add on these services if you want to. So you can actually send out individual text messages, select a group of people, or send out mass text messaging to your whole list. And you can even put those on automated sending schedules. So you can pre-write them all and they automatically send out to the people you selected to get those text messages. Amazing. You also can connect a phone line through. So if you want to have like a voice messaging service, that can be done. You can connect your Google My Business account so that you can actually see all of the information that's on your public Google business page. You can see all of your reviews, reply to those reviews, and of course, update your Google business profile all of the time, right from inside your TekMatix dashboard. So you don't even have to go and log into your Google business admin page anymore. Woo! Amazing. You also have reputation management. So you can pull in all of your reviews from your different locations. So that could be your Google reviews page or your Facebook reviews, and they can all come into one place and see what your reputation average is looking like, reply to all of those reviews. You can even create a review system inside here so that when clients have had a call with you or finished a course, they're automatically prompted to leave a review on one of those public platforms. And of course, I've actually set up an email automation that you can suck into your Pro plan with that as well. We also have, get this, a content planner for your social media. Woo! We will be adding more social media platforms to this soon, but we have a calendar inside your system whereby you can actually plan out what content you're going to share across social media for as far into the future as your heart desires. Woohoo! On the Pro plan, there's no limit to how far ahead you can plan. So goodbye to your things like Buffer and Metricool and Hootsuite. No more expensive stuff needed anymore there either. Alongside that comes the auto posting. So you don't just have to plan what you're going to post. This actually will auto post currently to your Facebook profile, your LinkedIn profile, your Instagram profile, and your Google My Business profile on autopilot. So you can select what content, what day, and what time that content should publish for you, and the system will send it out on those days and times. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. It's not even funny. It's like I made it myself. Okay, what's next? I'm so excited. What's next? What is next? I'm glad you asked. Invoicing, right? You can actually connect any external invoicing or accounting system that you might be using via an API. However, if you don't have any of that or don't want to, you can actually just directly invoice straight from the system without having any accounting software connected at all. How good is that? So you could, for instance, be messaging someone on Messenger. There's another feature I'm about to tell you about. And that person then may request an invoice. You can literally send it straight through to them from this system itself. It's all recorded in their customer record. Everything stays in that one single place. Amazing. We then have payments. Now, all of us are running a business to get paid. Let's make it easy, shall we? This system connects directly to your PayPal, to your Stripe account, and you can also connect other payment gateways as well. I know there are a number of you in other countries that you have different payment gateways that you use. Again, via an API, they can all be connected. Your Stripe and your PayPal are very simple one-click integrations. Now, because they connect directly to your own accounts, TekMatix don't touch your money. It doesn't pass through our business. It doesn't come anywhere near us. We do not take any processing fees whatsoever. Now, of course, PayPal and Stripe have their own processing fees, but we do not touch your money. We are simply the platform from which you put your Stripe or PayPal account. It just goes through and goes straight into your account in full. We do not take any processing fees for any of the payments that you receive in your TekMatix account for your products and your services. That belongs to you. I'm not going to touch it, all right? Promise you that. Now, surveys. If you want to create really simple surveys, maybe really simple little quizzes, or just collect customer feedback, maybe at the end of your courses, you can also create those directly inside the platform, pop them in your courses, your coaching programs, or your memberships that you're hosting inside your TekMatix account, or just use them to just get general information from people. Now, we also have sales pipelines. So this is where you can create a customer journey for every product that you offer. And at a glance, you can see a visual of every single stage of your customer journey that your leads and your customers are at, so that you can increase your sales conversions and manage people's communication even based on what stage of the customer journey or the sales journey they're actually at. Winning! Next, and this is one that I love, is we have a unified messaging and unified conversation platform. So inside TekMatix, if somebody messages you on your Facebook business page or on your Instagram Messenger, all of those messages suck into the system and you see them all under your conversation section inside your TekMatix account. So if I reply to somebody from my TekMatix account that has messaged me from Facebook, it creates a customer contact record for them inside your TekMatix account. How amazing. You reply from your TekMatix account. And by the way, the app that comes with it, yes, you get an app on the Pro plan. You can reply from your app from TekMatix or from your login on your computer from TekMatix, and it will still reply to them in their Facebook Messenger. But all of that communication is actually saved and recorded inside that customer's record so that it's all in one single location. No more having to check all over different accounts to see what the conversation was about. It's all in that one client's record. You can even create tasks or assign actions to other members of staff or to yourself, of course, to assign someone to follow up or do something. You can make notes inside that customer's record based on communications and way much more. The cool thing is you can also add template replies. So if you've got staff or a virtual assistant or somebody that works for you, or even you yourself are sick of copying and writing the same reply over and over again, inside TekMatix, you can just add these canned replies or template replies. And even from your app, just click the flick of a button, and whether it's a reply to an email or a social media message, it will just send that canned response back to them, saving you hours of your time. Gotta take a deep breath, but it gets even better. We have really advanced reporting based on sales made, your ads, return on investment, your conversion rates on individual sales pages or opt-ins. There is really, really advanced reporting that you can grab from this system, and you can even customize your reports and your dashboard as well. Loads of juicy stuff in terms of data to go through in there. It's really cool. It even pulls in like your Google Analytics, so you can get tracking all through your website, all that kind of data coming in as well. So you can start to get a much better idea as to where your leads are coming from, where they're converting into actual opted in leads, and where they actually turn into sales. So you're going to have much more control and informed control over your business. Amazing. We have tracking. So inside every single client's account, you are going to have the system tracking everything they do. Every email they open, every link that they click, every web page that they visit, every blog that they read, all the courses and lessons they go in and consume or download. They basically get followed around from the second they become a record in your system. They get followed about, and you are able to see what their behavior is, send out email campaigns and communication based on behavior actions that they've done or blogs that they've read. It becomes very, very smart in terms of the intelligent marketing that you can do from there on in. And then we also have it all white labeled for you. So TekMatix is your platform. All right, this is for your business. You can completely customize your dashboard, your wording. You can customize your branding, put it all in your own logos, attach it to your own web domain, create subdomains for your courses and more. You even have access to CSS in there. So if you've got a coder or a developer and you want to make stuff real fancy and plug in all kinds of add-ons, you can. We want this to feel like your platform for your business. So it's really exciting. And if you are using this for one of the main features that I created it for was for it to be an online course or membership platform, you can really use those customizations and that white labeling to make your own learning management system within your own business and really give your customers a highly professional experience when they're in there. All of the course players are customizable, so you can change all of the pages that the student sees when they're logged into their courses. And of course, I've provided pre-made templates for all of the common types of courses out there. whether they're lead magnet courses, mini courses, coaching programs, challenges. I've created opt-in pages for those, landing pages for those, email automations for them all. I've even created course templates inside your curriculum builder area for you so that you can be sure that you're being guided by what should be in that type of course as well. It is my absolute pleasure and honor and joy to finally have produced a piece of software that you guys can now use in your own businesses. So may I introduce you to officially TekMatix. If you would like to get yourself into a free trial on the platform, this will be officially launching soon into its beta stage. We will have a very, very low beta price open to anyone who joins before the 31st of December 2022. From the 1st of January 2023, the full prices will come into effect, but anyone who joins from now until the end of 2022 will lock in the beta price for life. It is going to blow your socks off what we will be charging for this. So if you want to be on the list to be in the beta testing early bird pricing that you can lock in and have a free trial, if you don't even want to lock in a price yet, just grab yourselves a free trial. Pop your name in the box that says get on the wait list or join the free trial. Make sure you fill in that form with your name and your email address, and I will be in touch with you with your own special unique access very soon for you to go in and have a free trial, have a little play around. I'll send you some demo videos so that you can follow along and see exactly a walkthrough of the platform itself, what it looks like from behind the scenes. But I hope for now that you can see here how this is an absolute game changer for online business owners and really does consolidate and get rid of all of that tech, all of those expenses, and all of that snake's wedding of having to connect everything together. This is going to simplify the whole thing for you and make your life a whole lot more organized and your business a whole lot more profitable, because you're going to be able to put a handle on everything so much more. So thanks for watching this rather long video, but there's a lot to see and a lot to share. Please do fill in that form to get on the wait list and get your free trial account. And if you do like the free trial account, obviously you'll have the option to jump into a beta account. Look forward to seeing you all there. Please feel free to pass this around. Much love. Bye for now. See ya.